First, let's talk about the price of the Redmi 10A before we move into the specs and see what's inside the box. The Redmi 10A comes in 3 different options. The 2GB RAM is sold for around 60,000 naira, which is approximately $100, while the 3GB RAM is sold for around 67,000 naira, which is approximately $110. And lastly, the 4GB RAM is sold for around 74,000 naira, which is approximately $120. Now, let's check out if the specs of the smartphone is worth the price. Before that, if you are a new viewer on my YouTube channel, kindly support me by hitting the red subscribe button and also turn on the post notification bell. Now let's see what's inside the box. The Redmi 10A box comes with a smartphone itself, an adapter, a USB cable, a SIM eject tool, a warranty card and a user guide. The device comes in 3 colors: sky grey, chrome silver and granite grey, and currently I have the Redmi 10A granite grey with 3GB RAM. The device is fairly light and has a rugged texture like the Redmi 10C. There is an headphone jack which is located at the top, a speaker grill located at the bottom of the device, micro USB ports and a dual SIM card trace slot which is located by the left hand of the device, and a small cutout for microphone. The Redmi 10A has a screen resolution of 720 by 1600 with a PPI density of 269. Though the display is poor when it comes to color accuracy, but I don't expect much for that price. If display is your top priority, I would advise you opt for the Redmi 10C or the Redmi Note 11S. Coming to the camera, the Redmi 10A has a dual 13MP rear camera sensor with a LED flash housed in a square camera model, and the front comes with a 5MP which is same as the Redmi 9A. Now let's take some pictures both inside and outside to see the camera quality. The Redmi 10A front and rear cameras can shoot 1080p videos at 30fps, and the video quality tends to be great for social media clips and video calling. iPhone user like me, I did not really enjoy the camera quality. This is due to the price of the phone. The Redmi 10A runs on MIUI 12.5 on top of Android 11. The smartphone comes with a few software apps pre-installed by default, which you can choose to uninstall if you wish. The Redmi 10A comes with a 5000 battery capacity that can easily last for a day without charging it. I made use of 15% of the smartphone battery for 2 hours. Amazing part, the smartphone comes with ultra power mode that can stretch the battery life further, which is helpful when the phone is low and there is no power to charge it. Right now, the smartphone is currently the most affordable smartphone from Xiaomi in 2022. I also got a chance to take part in the Xiaomi lucky draw when I bought the phone. You can also purchase one before 5th of July to enable you to take part in the lucky draw where you can win prizes. If you enjoyed the video, kindly leave a comment by telling me what you love about the smartphone, and also don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe and also turn on post notifications so you can get more videos like this. Let me know what you think about this video and what you want me to improve in the comment section.